Hello everybody. Today I will present my lesson plan. This plan is for 7th grade. It's about language in the classroom. Topic is classroom objects, classroom actions, classroom comments, respect in the classroom, performance indicators. The students identify classroom objects properly. The student follows and responds to simple classroom commands. The student uses classroom vocabulary in short oral interactions. The student demonstrates respect for classroom rules. Learning strategy. Opening I'm sorry. Opening activities. The teacher greets the students and introduces the lesson. For example, the teacher says good morning class, and the students answer good morning teacher. The teacher chose real classroom objects, for example, pencil, notebook, book, ruler, eraser, and backpack. And the student try to identify the object in English. For example, teacher can present the classroom or the student this, and students repeat the vocabulary several times to improve the pronunciation. Activity 1. Presentation of vocabulary. The teacher presents flashcards and real objects. For example, pencil, notebook, book, ruler, eraser, backpack. And teacher asks, what is this? Students answer, it's a pencil, it's a notebook, it is a book. And activity 2, classroom commands. The teacher introduces and models classroom commands. Stand up, sit down, open your book, close your book, raise your hand, listen carefully. The student performs each action following the teacher instruction. Activity 3, group competition. Students work in groups. The teacher says the name of an object. Example, teacher ruler. The student quickly touch the correct object. The first group to identify the object receive 1 point. Activity 4, part work. And this activity, student practice short exchange. For example, student A, what is this? Student B, it is a notebook. Student switch roles. Closing activities. Review vocabulary using flashcards. Students identify classroom objects orally. Students mention one classroom comment they learned. Reflection questions. What is important to follow classroom rules? How can we show respect in the classroom? Teacher provides feedback and summarizes the lesson. And the homework. Draw 5 classroom objects and write their names in English. Example, pencil, book, notebook, ruler, eraser. And write one classroom command in a complete sentence. Example, open your book. And my reflection on the lesson as a teacher, students actively participate in the vocabulary activities. Most students identify classroom objects correctly. Students respond positively to the total physical response activities. Some students need additional pronouns practice. For future lessons, more pair work activities can be included to strengthen oral communication. And teaching materials, flashcards with pencil, notebook, book, ruler, eraser, backpacks, and posters. Stand up, sit down, open your book, close your book, raise your hand, listening carefully. Worksheet, matching classroom objects with words. And the evaluation checklist criteria, identify classroom objects, yes or no, follow classroom comments, participate actively, criteria Show respect for classroom rules. That's all.